Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will talking about tuple. So what is tuple? Tuple is maybe similar to list. So numbers is equal number 1, 2, 3, 4 and this tuple. So tuple between brackets. It can hide list data and have the string A, B and have nested tuple. So 7, 8, 9. So this tuple. Now if I print numbers and let me check Python l.py print tuple. If I now print data type numbers, the class is tuple. So if I now make tup is a variable tuple number 1 and print data type tuple, print type tuple and the print class is integer. Why? If only one element is missing, it's not considered a tuple. If you want to put only one element and data type is tuple, just put comma. Now the data type will be tuple. Now I have this list numbers, this list. Okay, it's similar to these lists. And I want to change this to lists. What's wrong? Okay, now this list. If I now print the data type, okay, I will remove this. Is list and now print. I will make this thing number tuple number tuple is equal tuple numbers. Change the data type from list to tuple. Now print numbers tuple. Now is tuple, not list. So I have another example. If the full name is Muhammad Ahmed, in this tuple Muhammad Ahmed, and if now want to print to make the full name, okay, to make unpacking. How to make unpacking? If name name is equal full name. If I now print full name and unpacking is its mean separate. So okay, no, not full name. Yes. If I now print name Ahmed. Okay, this is. Now I have another example. So look at to this example. This example A, B If I now print A and print B will print. So I now to make swapping to replace the data, the value. So if I now print 1 2 2 1, okay, I make swapping. So okay, tuple use the zip function. How to use zip function? Now I have this tuple. I have this tuple about numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Now if I print numbers 0, index of 0 will print 1. Okay, if I now print 2 to the end, index 2 to the end, 3 4, I get the slicing. So now I have this student grade: Muhammad 100, Ahmed 50, Ali 80. So for name, grade, and student's grade, print, I will print with use f string the name is name, the mark is grade. Now if I make print name is Muhammad, the grade is 20. So now I want to make the zip to these functions, to these lists. How to make zip to these lists? So I want to append these to this. Okay, how? New list is equal zip names grade. So that's it. If I now print new and type of new, what's wrong? I have wrong. I have a wrong tuple of new. Python l.py. I have z. What's wrong? Name great. Okay, I think I changed. Okay, if I don't change it to table, not to print nothing. So you should change data to table our list. So this zip include list to another list, 2 lists in 1 list. So if you have third list, fourth, sixth, no problem, just put comma and write the name of the new list. And thank you.